The structures be used to and get used to are used to talk about being accustomed to something or getting accustomed to something. Get used to talks about the process. Be used to talks about the result. When Giovanni moved to London from Italy, it took him long to get used to the cold. For Ivan, who moved from Moscow to London, the cold was not a problem because he was used to it. If you are used to something, you have often done or experienced it. It is not strange, new, or difficult for you. I am used to getting up early in the morning. I don't mind it. I'm familiar with the situation. I'm accustomed to it. The sentence structure goes like this: subject plus be plus used to plus gerund, noun, or pronoun. In other words, the phrase be used to will be followed by some kind of noun, whether gerund or otherwise. So, if the structure is followed by a verb, it must be gerund or ing form. I'm used to working hard. I know it can seem a bit odd to have to followed by a gerund, but here the to is a preposition. We conjugate the verb to be based on our subject. I am used to working hard. You are used to working hard. He or she is used to working hard, and so on. It can be used in past tense too. Let's make an example. He didn't complain about the neighbor's loud party. He was used to the noise. It seemed normal. It wasn't difficult for him to, for example, sleep at night. We can also say be used to someone. I don't think Tom is strange. I'm used to him. And the negative form of be used to is be not used to. I don't understand him. I'm not used to his accent yet. And finally, we have get used to. If you get used to something, you become accustomed to it. Get used to is the process of becoming used to something. It took them a long time to get used to their new bus. Have you got used to driving on the left yet? This question is in present perfect. Be used to and get used to can be used in different tenses. Get used to means that in the beginning a situation was strange or unusual, but it is not anymore, or will soon stop being strange or unusual. She's getting used to the early hours. That means she's becoming accustomed to being awake in the early morning. So, be used to is used to express that a situation is not new or strange. However, get used to is used to express that a situation becomes less strange or new. That was all about this grammar. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.